So whether it is in a natural purpose or a deliberate purpose, I don't know. I don't want to enter into any of this Tamil Nadu. But we are very serious because our Bangalore Kempegowda International Airport, its peak, this one, will reach by 2025. Passenger load as well as cargo load. So we have to have another international airport of the same size and capacity. There's 100 million passengers capacity one, and we are looking for the second airport. We have had a one initial meeting with our corporation which is doing this initial study report, feasibility study. So we have come with 3-4 parameters, and also we are looking into two major parameters, whether the airport has to be in a close proximity connectivity with the existing airport of Kempegowda International Airport, around maybe around 50, 60, 70 kilometers, or we have to go by the passenger load comes which from the area which comes from south. So options are open. May happen anywhere in after the this one on merit, and on merit no location has been put. Based on this study, we are engaging some experts also, consulting some experts also, and we are going to decide on merit. The location will be there on merit, whether it has to be south of Bangalore or whether we have to be north of Bangalore, whether Dabaspet, Tumkur and south. It means we have many more areas like Kumbardi, this one, Mysuru, we have Kanakapura. So many more areas in south also. It all depends on, please let me complete. So it depends on a decision which is on merit, and after that we will have a detailed meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister, and we'll take up with the cabinet, and the final decision will be taken on merit, not on anybody's whims and fancies. It will be taken a decision on what is good for this one, and these two factors with the expert opinions, our decision will be taken.
Sir, Bangalore is a global city, and everywhere there is name for Bangalore.
Yeah.
Now, to extend that, some of your MLAs and ministers have asked for Bangalore South to be named after Ramnagar.
See, that's the decision will be taken by the Chief Minister and the cabinet.
Sir, as per sources, Tamil Nadu is also planning to build airport near to the south areas where our IT hub of Karnataka is actually.
When did the Tamil Nadu start doing this? After our announcement, isn't it? That's their state. They can decide about themselves. We decide ours. I don't want to make a comment on that.
But if both airport comes closer,
when it comes, we'll decide.
Sir,
when it comes to that point, we'll decide on that.
In a week's time, the union budget will be presented, sir. This is the first budget of Modi 3.0. What are the expectations as an industries minister from Karnataka?
See, the states have to be supported, particularly those states which are contributing. Those states to the GDP, those states which have followed fiscal discipline, population control measures, and all the parameters which are developing states, those should be encouraged. You cannot take money from a developing state and give it to other state which have not followed any fiscal discipline or population measures and all other factors.
Sir, in politics, Ranjit Jinjinigi is a Dalit leader.
I don't want to. Today in this meeting, I told you in the first, so I don't want to make any comment.
so you belong to the same district. He is a senior leader and you also know him very closely. He says